Once upon a time, I was just like many of you, excited to stream my favorite shows and movies on my Fire Stick. But there was one major problem: my internet speeds just weren't cutting it. I was paying for a fast fiber package, yet my Fire Stick was constantly buffering, and streaming in 4K felt like a distant dream. Determined to fix this, I started digging into how the Fire Stick connects to the internet. I found out that it can connect in two ways: wirelessly and through a wired connection. First, I tried optimizing the wireless setup. If you need a VPN, check out the links in the description. You'll get a discount and support the channel. I'd heard that the 5 GHz Wi-Fi network can offer faster speeds and less congestion than the 2.4 GHz network. So, I decided to give it a shot. Switching to 5 GHz was as easy as heading to settings on my Fire Stick, selecting network, and connecting to my router's 5 GHz network. And wow! My speeds went from a measly 8 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz network to a whopping 280 Mbps on 5 GHz. No more endless buffering, and I could finally enjoy my shows in 4K. But I wanted to push things even further. That's when I learned about the benefits of a wired connection. I had been using the Amazon Ethernet adapter, but it capped my speeds at 100 Mbps, nowhere near the full potential of my fiber plan. I discovered that I could upgrade to a USB gigabit Ethernet adapter. For under £10, I could get an adapter that would unlock much higher speeds, so I ordered one right away. To make it work, I needed a small OTG cable, which allowed me to connect the USB Ethernet adapter to my Fire Stick. Once it arrived, I set it up. I plugged the USB gigabit Ethernet adapter into the OTG cable, connected my Fire Stick's power supply to the OTG cable, and then plugged the OTG cable into the Fire Stick. The results? Incredible! My wired speed skyrocketed to 330 Mbps. My streaming was smooth, high quality, and buffer-free. It felt like I'd completely upgraded my Fire Stick without spending a fortune. So if you're struggling with slow speeds, these simple tweaks can make all the difference. Just a quick change to your Wi-Fi settings or a small adapter can turn your Fire Stick into a streaming powerhouse. And there you have it, my journey from endless buffering to seamless 4K streaming, all thanks to a few simple changes. If you're ready to upgrade your streaming experience, the tools you need are easier to get than you might think. Give it a try, and happy streaming! If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my latest tips and tricks for optimizing your tech.